Let's talk about Obama's $376 million basketball court, shall we? Fact or fiction? Last week I posted a video breaking down the Trump Ballroom, the $300 million cost, the cost per square foot. Actually turned out to be a pretty reasonable price for the project, but I was blown away by over 500 comments on various platforms, many of them alluding to, what about Obama's $376 million basketball court? So I thought to myself, let's dive into this thing. My name is Scott Monday. I post videos about business and money and finance that are interesting to me on LinkedIn, TikTok, and Instagram. I'd love for you to follow along. What we have here is a case of optics and a case of timing. We actually have two distinct projects being referred to in this mix-up about the Obama basketball courts. Let's dive into each of those. The first project was actually called the WhiteHouse Executive Residence Complex Renovation. This was a $376 million 4-year project that was actually conceived and approved under the George W. Bush administration in 2008. Made sense. The White House is a rather old building. The systems, HVAC, plumbing, electrical, security, fire and life safety, all those systems needed to be upgraded. Congress approved it. No big deal. It gets interesting though when you realize that that 4-year project actually started in 2009 when Obama took office. Well, concurrently but completely separately, there was a basketball court project. It was actually a renovation of a 1950s tennis court, striping on the ground, some portable basketball hoops, things like that. That was a $50,000 project, once again in early 2009. It was concurrent with the $376 million system renovation. That's where the confusion comes in, because the projects occurred concurrently. The media picked it up and ran with it, spinning it like the American media does. So what's the lesson here? The lesson is timing and optics do matter. If you run a business or you're a leader in any way, we have to think through the way timing plays into the way people perceive what's going on. There's an adage that perception is reality, which isn't literally true, but it is true in the psyche of the people that we serve, that we lead, that we're around. So that's the takeaway for me. I want to hear your comments on this. Do you believe that the Obama basketball court was really a $300 million project? Did I miss something in my research? I'd love to hear your comments on this to see if I'm missing the mark. Maybe I am, maybe I'm not. Who knows?